Welcome to a new episode on digital transformation. Today we will focus on a fundamental aspect of implementing advanced technologies, ethical considerations in data management, and the use of digital twins. As companies adopt artificial intelligence and digital twins to optimize their operations, it is crucial to ensure that these technologies are used ethically and responsibly. In this video, we will explore the key ethical challenges related to data privacy, security, and transparency in automated decision-making. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical asset, process, or even an entire business system. These digital models are fed with real-time data, collected through sensors, IoT networks, and internal systems to simulate, analyze, and optimize the performance of their physical counterparts. However, managing this data raises questions about who has access to it, how it is stored, and what decisions are made based on this information. Data management within a digital twin involves not only operational efficiency, but also the protection of privacy, security, and transparency of processes. One of the main ethical challenges in managing digital twins is data privacy. With the mass collection of data through connected devices, questions arise about how personal data is protected and whether users have adequate control over the information that is collected. Companies should ensure that they obtain informed consent from employees, customers, or any other affected groups before collecting their data. In addition, it is crucial to implement clear policies on how the data will be used and who will have access to it, ensuring transparency in all operations. Another major challenge is data security. Digital twins are connected to critical systems, making them a target for cyber attacks. Protecting these systems is crucial, as a security breach could compromise not only the data, but also the physical operation that the digital twin is modeling. Companies must implement robust cybersecurity measures to protect both data and digital infrastructures. Best practices include data encryption, use of multi-factor authentication, and constant threat monitoring. With the integration of AI in digital twins, many operational decisions are made automatically. This raises the ethical challenge of transparency in these decisions. It is critical that organizations explain how the AI algorithms that control processes work and what criteria they use to make critical decisions. Algorithmic opacity can lead to distrust and conflict, especially if employees or customers do not understand how these decisions are applied in practice. Transparency is key to ensuring that automated decisions are fair and aligned with the organization's values. In addition to transparency, organizations must take ethical responsibility for the decisions AI makes. This means ensuring that systems are fair and do not perpetuate bias or discrimination. When training algorithms, it is important to keep in mind that historical data may contain implicit biases, which could lead to decisions that unfairly affect certain groups. A common example is when algorithms are used to automate hiring or human resource management processes, where it is essential to avoid reproducing historical biases related to race, gender, or other factors. With the increasing use of digital twins and the collection of massive data, governments and regulatory organizations are implementing regulations to protect users' rights. Regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in Europe are essential to ensure that companies handle data ethically and in accordance with the law. Companies using digital twins should be aware of these regulations and ensure strict compliance. Legal compliance is not only an obligation, but also reinforces the confidence of users and customers in the organization. The use of digital twins in data management offer tremendous opportunities to optimize operations and improve efficiency, but they also pose ethical challenges that companies must proactively address. From protecting privacy and data security to transparency in automated decisions, it is essential that organizations manage these resources responsibly and in alignment with ethical values. If you want to learn more about how to ensure ethical data management in your company, contact me on LinkedIn. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on ethics in artificial intelligence and digital transformation.